Hello, this video help is the Equipment Management Client screen. I'm going to give you just the overview of the application as far as this screen is concerned. This video will be found on this video help, but you'll find video helps for each tab on the tab themselves. At the left side of the application screen for customers, there's a Customer ID Select portal. The Select portal is used when you want to move between different records that are on the Bookings tab for the client. And the way you would do that is to click on this icon. When you click on that icon, it automatically switches over to the next record over. You can do this for all the records that are in the list. But if you need to or want to go faster than that, what you can do is use either the list layout that's included down here at the bottom of the screen, or you can use the help find. Basically what you do with the find is you click the start find. It'll empty out all the fields on this area here. Now you cannot do finds in a portal record like this one or a portal record like this one here. These have separate screens you can go to by clicking on the icons in a portal and then going to the individual record where there you can do a search. Now these fields here are not part of a portal, including the bottom screen. Any screen that has text in it can be used as far as these top level fields can be used to do a find on it. When you click on the find, it'll empty out. You put in the first few characters or the whole name, whatever you want to. For example, if I put in Vaughn, it would pick up that client. If there were repeats, there would be 2 records, and then you could use the next and previous or prior buttons to go through the records that are in that particular selection. On the screen, when you come in to add a new customer, you'll see that it's got an open lock, this is a parent record, so you can add new records to it. If you do not see an add record button on the screen, do not use the main menus or menu options at the top of the screen that are available for what kind of device you're using. Use the add record only in the screens where it's allowed. If you try to add records into a screen and it's a child record, it will not work correctly and give you problems because it does not have a corresponding parent ID like this one over here. Now in this screen, the next thing you would do is if you wanted to move or navigate through the different records, this is the first one where you can go through and navigate directly to either the schedule calendar back to the main screen, the equipment inventory, or the work order. If you want to go to the child screens that are also associated on this application, you would click on the main menu to see all the screens that are available in the application. If you need help, support, and you need to contact me via the support site, click this icon. It will take you to the support site. If you want to toggle the screen where you can see the menus at the top of the screen, this is good on iPad, iPhone, and on WebDirect on the cloud using a browser. You would click this and it would show you the different menu options at the top of the screen. Now recall, I said that all the buttons you need really are built into the application. So if you need to do additional things that are outside that, do it at your own peril because you might have an unknown reaction to some of the buttons that are in the menus above. Okay, the show all, if you do a find, once you do a find and you come back to a screen, click on the Show All button. What that will do is it'll bring all the records back into selection. Anytime you do a find, it does a subset of what records are actually in the application. Clicking the Show All again returns all those. Say, for example, if I did a find and I went to the customer listing, the listing would only show the records that I actually had in the find. You would have to click the Show All records either in the list view or in this screen to return all the records after a find. Okay, I'm going to move next to the video for this particular screen element, and then we'll walk through all the different tabs to show you how to use them. Go to the next video, which is this one here.